I'm doing another unboxing. So yeah, let's us dive into it. I think if so this package is very heavy. How am I gonna yo zinamasondo the idea. Let's get this out of the way. Let's see. Oh, it's like I'm exercising or something. So I have to cut here. Oh, very heavy. So this is it. But I'm happy that it has wheels underneath. So you can just come this side. So this is it. These are weight lifting. So Izinsimbi, it is Zokujima. I want to lose weight, and I decided to Ngithenge Izinsimbi. I think so 3,000. So I bought them on Amazon. So Amazon, it's 2,999. So it basically 3,000 rands. Yeah, hey, they are heavy, man. I didn't think they were this heavy. You know, I think I realized after I bought them that it was like 50 kg or 55. That is why I'm breathing heavily, because yeah, even the guy who delivered them was complaining that his back hurts because of this. So Izinsimbi Zokujima. Yo, they are very heavy. You can get them on Amazon. I think it's 50 kg or 55. But a bit box in the 55. I can't tell 50 kg. Very, very heavy.